Hi class, this week there are 2 activities for you to do, and there are no required readings. The first activity is to answer some prompts on the discussion board. These are focused on how well this course met the CityU learning goals that are associated with it, and how well the course was designed to support learning regarding and around the program outcomes identified for this course. There's also a prompt asking you to go back and think about the information literacy framework that we started the course with in the first 3 modules very intensively, that then has been woven periodically throughout the remainder of the course and the content that you've engaged with. The other activity, which is where most of your focus should be, although I appreciate your feedback about the learning outcomes and as much detail as you're willing to provide, that's great. But the other project you have this week is your final paper. And it's both a combination of going back once again and digging into the adult learning theories and then associating those as well with your teaching philosophy statement. Ideally, you wouldn't just copy and paste your teaching philosophy statement from this from week 9 into the week 10 paper, but you actually would take into account the feedback you've gotten from your classmates and would take the theories that you've chosen to include in your paper perhaps and expand it a bit on the teaching philosophy statement from week 9. There's one other activity that will be coming up midway through the week, I believe. It may be available to you on Wednesday, and that's the end of course evaluation. CityU takes those very seriously and uses those both to evaluate faculty and also to identify ways in which the courses can continually be improved. The end of course evaluations are anonymous, and as your faculty member, I don't see them until 2 or 3 weeks after grades have been posted. So the information you provide about the course and your learning experience are not available, won't influence any part of your final grade, nor should they. Completely anonymous, and so I just highly encourage you to respond to those questions when they're made available. Thank you so much. As always, I'm available to answer any questions or concerns you have this week as you move forward on your final projects. And I look forward to reading what you share with me, and we'll get those grades in for you quickly. I know everyone's eager to wrap up the quarter, and so I will grade your papers just as soon as I can after they've been submitted. Due date is next Sunday at midnight. So have a great week, and let me know if I can help. Thanks.